Thanks, Alex. That was very helpful. Talking about microabrasions and biofilm, do you want to just explain a little bit more about what that is and what exactly happens?
The microabrasions, the cornea has got an epithelium on the surface, and the epithelium has got a waxy coat to it with its and the tear film. That all helps to protect against infections getting in, breaking their way into the cornea. With the contact lens floating on the surface of or just semi-submerged in the tear film and floating on the cornea, it can rub occasionally on the cornea with repeated blinking, cause little microabrasions that allow bacteria to get into the cornea and to create an infection.
Alex, you mentioned let your eyes breathe. What does that mean? Why do the eyes need to breathe?
The eyes breathe because the cornea is transparent. It has no blood supply to it, no blood vessels. So it does not have blood vessels because it needs to be transparent to focus light into the eye. But normal tissues get their oxygen from blood vessels, from the blood. And so the cornea needs to get its oxygen from the atmosphere. So the oxygen in the atmosphere dissolves into the tears and feeds through to the cornea. And if you have a contact lens on the eye, that forms a barrier to the diffusion of oxygen through into the cornea. Modern contact lenses are getting increasingly higher diffusion oxygen, so they allow more oxygen through to the eye, but it still is a barrier. So you want to take the contact lens out and just let the corneas get the oxygen they need naturally every now and then.